Hello friends, welcome to Kalinga once again. Okay, today I would like to share some experience of my students. Okay, she's studying at Domus Academy. Okay, this year. So her name is Pinky Smita. So let me introduce Pinky Smita. So hi Pinky Smita, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. Ciao people.
Okay, so can you share your experience with Kalinga? Like maybe okay, how you know Kalinga?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are the courses you have to follow Kalinga Euro? Okay, how the Kalinga team will help you to this year? So can you share?
Yeah, well, first of all, as a fashion design student, it was my first choice to come to Milan, as this is the fashion capital, as we know. Then that time I was so worried, as it is my first international trip, my first international journey, and I was very much worried how we'll do the documentation, how I will like apply for the college, and it was very much like mumbo jumbo, I can say. Yeah. So then I went through so many agencies online, but they were not suitable for me. Then I came to know about Kalinga Euro from Google, of course.
Okay.
Then I went to the office. I met Deepak sir and I met Jonas sir, who is with me right now.
Okay.
Then after talking to them, after visiting the office and after knowing the procedure, then I tied up with them.
Okay.
And my whole process started. And about Kalinga Euro, it's a beautiful journey, I can say. And the thing is beautiful about this is like they bring my dream come true, I can say that, because alone to a complete strange place, to a complete new city, a new world, it was very much difficult for me because I couldn't think to come up to this alone. Because of their guidance and all, I came here. And about the documentation, it was very much hassle free, I can say, because they guided me at every step, from starting from my scholarship to how I got the scholarship. Because of their guidance, they continuously they were in touch with my college, how to do the portfolio, how to get the scholarship, because here in Milan studying fashion is too much expensive, little.
Yes.
For an Indian people, I can say. So they guided me how to get the scholarship and all, and how to join the college, how to apply for the college, with everything, with my visa process to reach here, to my accommodation, everything. So it is a great journey, and we will continue this journey, and I will be in touch with Kalinga, of course. And I can say right now I am in the complete strange city, and I can say still Jonas sir is guiding me, and he is like a guardian to me right now. And if I get any issues or any I'm in trouble, so I'm going to him and ask him, sir, what should I do? And still now he is helping and guiding me. And Deepak sir as well from India. So thank you, Kalinga Euro. It is a great experience with you. And we will roam here and there, and we will experience more beautiful places in Milan with Jonas sir, and Deepak sir will also join. Yeah. So thank you.
Our completely team will join with us.
Yeah, definitely.
And actually, lots of people think about that why you are holding the umbrella, right? And it's raining, so it's not a
it's
joke.
raining.
So it's raining right now. That's why we are holding the umbrella.
Yeah.
Okay. So actually, it gets a little bit cold.
Yeah.
That is why. Okay. So what about your university? What about your institute? Are you enjoying the classes?
So about my university, I'll definitely suggest people who want to make their career in fashion or architecture or like fashion styling, fashion journalism. Domus is the best place. Yeah, because rather than classes, what happened in India, we only focus on classes and not much that up to workshop. So here I am experiencing the classes with top-notch teachers. I will not say they are teachers, they are real designers, fashion designers and fashion magazine editors. And I am experiencing my classes with them. I am doing my workshop. I will say it workshop, not classes, because we are doing the practical stuffs. So it is a new experience and indulging with a different custom, a different, I can say a brand new fashion world that is completely different from India. Because somehow in India we have some rules and guidelines, but here there are no guidelines in fashion field particularly. So I will definitely recommend Domus to every fashion students.
And you are from Bhubaneswar, right?
Yeah, I'm from Bhubaneswar. I'm from Odisha. Yeah.
We have done lots of things.
Yeah.
Yeah. From Bhubaneswar, our city, and also I am from Odisha, now our operated from Bhubaneswar, Rang and India. So from our city,
Yeah.
what do you suggest and what do you give some suggestions to our city students, those who are planning to study abroad, but not about Italy, any other places also, USA, UK and Canada. What do you suggest? Some fashion that
Like if you are planning to go into this fashion field or architecture, so I'll definitely suggest you to go beyond your imagination. Because nowadays going to abroad is not a big deal. If you have creativity, if you have talent, you can reach at the any corner of world.
Yes.
Yeah, and here you will get a question like how the budget will suit us or not. And I will suggest if you are planning to join a fashion college or architect college, they are also providing a huge scholarship. So it depends upon you. If you are creating a best quality portfolio, then you will definitely get a scholarship, and it will definitely suit your budget as well. So don't think about this money and all. Just work hard if you want to get creative more and more. So please, I will definitely suggest to go beyond your imagination and please come out of the country you are staying right now.
Okay, thank you for your time, Pinky.
Yeah.
Ciao, ciao.
Yeah, ciao people, and have a nice time.
Yeah, yes.
Having a nice
I
time.
will
studying
do
here.
some another video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
About your experience and about your study.
Yeah,
Okay?
definitely.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.